Frustrated with the d3dx9-39.dll pop-up blocking DirectX Legacy d3dx9? I'm Sophie Chen, a Windows support engineer, and I'll walk you through the diagnostic repair to get things running smoothly again. To start fixing d3dx939 manually, you can also consider the official maintenance toolkit for a more stable system state. This is the d3dx939, a version-specific DirectX 9.0 helper extension v39. It manages unmanaged routines for 3D graphics rendering, specifically handling specialized vertex shaders and texture management for games released around 2008. It is mandatory for legacy graphics engine manifests to resolve 3D asset data links. Now that you have the context, let's move into the repair process with a fresh installation. The d3dx9-39.dll library is a critical dependency of the DirectX Legacy d3dx9 framework, and the most effective fix is to reinstall the specific program where you received the error to force a fresh deployment of the internal file. When a standard software refresh isn't enough, we need to bypass the automated installers and look at manual system state resets. If your system has been running for an extended period, a reboot might be necessary to resync your background processes and clear any temporary locks on the d3dx939 file. To avoid losing your place during the restart, bookmark this page now or hit the like button to save this video to your library for easy access later. Now that the system has rebooted, if the issue persists, let's move on to our next level of troubleshooting. Feel free to pause the video if you need a moment. Sometimes a simple restart isn't enough for broken runtimes. Follow these steps to refresh the redistributable files. First, go to Control Panel, then select Programs and Features. Second, find every Microsoft Visual C++ Redistributable 2005 through 2022. Third, right-click each and select Change, then select Repair. If that fails, download the latest all-in-one VC++ Redistributable package from Microsoft's website. Please note that for DLL files with numbers, the number tells you which version to repair. For example, 120 equals 2013. While we've identified the fix, it's vital to discuss how to keep your environment secure from common threats. The version of d3dx939.dll found on most download sites is often compiled for different hardware, which can cause your CPU to work harder or crash. Rather than managing individual dependencies, a comprehensive diagnostic can help you maintain the entire software environment. For users transitioning to structured maintenance, the link below references tools related to d3dx939 and registry optimization. I'm Sophie Chen, and I appreciate you watching. If this guide saved d3dx939 workflow, please subscribe for more professional troubleshooting and tech advice.